Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the circuit safe. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 1 minute to clear residual power. Once done, remove the engine cover and expose the area around the intake manifold or crank pulley where the RPM sensor lives. You should check the service manual for exact location now. Make sure to have a multimeter, sockets, and a small mirror. Begin by unplugging the sensor connector gently and inspect pins for corrosion before you touch the sensor body. You unbolt the sensor using the specified socket and remove it carefully, keeping bolts and washers organized. Once free, test resistance and signal outputs with a multimeter following the manual's values. This tells you if the sensor itself failed versus wiring issues. Clean the sensor tip and mounting bore with a lint-free cloth. Look for metal shavings, oil, or magnetic debris that can skew readings. If the sensor passes electrical tests but was dirty, cleaning is often enough to restore normal RPM reporting. You reinstall the sensor, apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the connector to prevent corrosion, and torque the mounting bolts to the specified value. Once done, reconnect the negative battery terminal and perform an ECU reset either by using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to clear RPM-related DTCs or by following the vehicle reset procedure. Start the engine and watch the tachometer. Make sure RPM is steady and no check engine light returns. If issues persist, check wiring continuity from the sensor harness to the ECU as the single most common follow-up diagnostic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.